welcome back. In this video we'll be showing you the fundamentals of this lift. So just imagine this claw, the double claw is gone, the whole base is gone, and just the lift floating right here. It looks really complicated, right? You got the motors, you got the shafts, but that's just the added crap. It's not the fundamentals. Sorry. Right here is pretty much the fundamentals. When you put all of these together, you pretty much have one side of the lift over there. For the first stage, we have a 2-inch standoff with 5 washers on the end of it, so it reaches. Then we have some .25 spacers and some 1/2-inch screws. And then for the middle piece or second stage, we just have some 1-inch spacers and some 1-inch standoffs and some .25 spacers, 1/2-inch screws. And pretty much with just having these two, you can have many more stages than just this. Let's see if we can show you what this looks like put together. There we go. Alright, hope y'all got something to learn from this, and we'll see you guys next time.